Yeah, so this is setting up MT5 section 2. You know, now I'm going to be teaching you what all this thing is all about. Okay, I'm just going to be teaching you what they are all about. Okay, now if you see in this place, you see that we have boom 1000 index. These are indices, they are not currencies. Okay, what moves them is buying and selling. People are buying them and people are also selling them. That is why you see the prices changing here. So okay, these prices you're saying is called the bid and the ask price. Okay, you don't really need to know all of this. The strategy I'm going to teach you, you don't need all of this. Okay, I'm just saying it for training purposes, so that you just have a clearer view about how it works. Okay, um then you'll be seeing something like spread. Are you seeing this thing called spread? Spread is the difference between this and this. Okay, it's the broker's commission. The broker's commission. So I'm going to be teaching you. I'm going to be teaching you about. I'm going to be teaching you on this tab here. This tab you're seeing, this tab here. That this is the tab we're going to be using. I'm going to be teaching you how they work. Okay. Now, this first tab you're seeing here, this first tab you're seeing here is called the quotes. If you click on this first tab, it will be showing you this place. Here you'll be seeing your indices to trade. Okay, then if you are clicking on the second tab, it will show you the graph. I mean the pictorial graphical representation of the markets. Okay, let me click on it. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? It will show you the graphical representation of the market. Okay, then another way of doing this to open a particular indices. Now you don't know the indices I just opened now. Okay, I'll go back to this place, this first tab, which is the quotes. Once I click on it, then let me check if I can put a pointer. Okay, I can't put a pointer. Then I want to open the chart of this boom 1000 index. Okay, I'm going to tap on boom 1000 index, then I'm going to click on chart here. Okay, so if I click on chart, it will open the chart for me. I will see the graphical presentation of the market on this boom 1000. Okay, so I'm going to go back. If I click on boom 500, I'm going to click on charts. You see, it's showing me the boom 500, the charts. Okay, are you seeing it? Are you seeing this? So then the next tab, which is this one here, coming. The next tab, which is this one here, which is the third tab. Okay, if I click on it, it will show me my account balance, my equity, my free margin, and any trade I place. It will be shown in this empty white space here. Any trade I place, if I place a trade, like if I buy a market or sell an indices, you will see the trade. It will be placed on this white board here, this white background here. Okay, we'll do all of that. Okay, then this third part, if I click on this third part, which is sorry, the fourth tab here, okay, which is this one here, the fourth tab. This fourth tab is called your history tab. Okay, it shows you the how much profit you have made so far, or how much losses you have made so far. It will show you how much you deposited, your account balance, your deposits. It will also show you the closing trade. Probably you open a trade now, you now close it on profits. It will show you the profit here. If you close it on loss, it will be recorded here. Okay, it's just an history that keeps history of what you have been doing. Okay, it does not delete. Your history does not delete. Okay, it's there for life. Okay, that is that. Then another thing, this fifth tab here is just news. If you are trading currency, you can use this fifth tab for news. It shows you news. Okay, what is happening in the economy according to the currency you want to trade. It's just where you can take one or two news and read, like that. So the last tab here, which is the meta MQ5, this binary.com clients who are unable, it's just like MQ5 community. In the Forex, you see it as MQ5 community. You don't really need this. So what we are working with from the first tab to the fourth tab. Okay, the first one, which is the quotes, why the second one the charts, the third one the trade, we call it the trade you place, you'll be seeing it there. Why the fourth one is the history. That is what we'll be working with. Okay, now I hope this works. This helps you to identify what those tabs are. Okay, and another short form of another short way of getting the tabs is when you slide your screen from left to right, you see them. Okay, now you can see them. Look at the quote here, look at the charts, look at the trade. Okay, and look at your history. They are the same thing. Okay, you don't need this mailbox, you don't need this mailbox, you don't need this news, you don't need this calendar, you don't need all of this, you don't need all of this. But we'll be doing more on the settings later. Okay, but not on this video. Okay, so if you check very well, if you check on the mailbox, if you check on this mailbox, if I click on it, it will show you your registration. Okay, if I click on the first, if I click on this one here, it's to show you your registration. Look at your registration. Sorry, not that one. Look at this one here, the down one here, your registration, new account registration. So if I click on it, it will show you your registration, your password, you know, your investor password, everything. It will just show you there. Okay, that is what the mailbox is. It will also help you to keep that record. Okay, nothing special. Then you can click back. You can just click back and go to your tab. So thank you for watching this short video.